At Nature's Pride, we are committed to delivering the finest exotic fruits and vegetables with care and attention. In the world of fresh produce, efficiency, precision, and quality are key values. But how do we ensure that each piece of fruit is perfectly labeled and weighed? The solution came from Bizerba. With Bizerba's innovative labeling solutions, we have created a process that is faster, more accurate, and more sustainable. Our products are automatically weighed and labeled without compromising the delicate quality of the fruit. This means fewer manual operations and a more efficient workflow in our production environment. Each label contains essential product information, ensuring that our fruit remains traceable and recognizable. Moreover, this solution helps us reduce packaging materials, an important step towards a more sustainable future. By partnering with Bizerba, we have not only increased our efficiency, but also improved the quality and sustainability of our processes. Innovation and craftsmanship come together, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, delivering the very best exotic products.